Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by launching GTA 5 and pressing options to open the pause menu. This gets you straight into the game settings. Once done, make sure your TV or monitor is already on the correct native resolution because the console reads that first. Now, with your controller, go to Settings and select Display. You do this to access aspect ratio and HUD scaling controls. These first steps place you where the adjustments actually live, so you can change what matters. You should now change the aspect ratio setting to match your TV, typically 16:9, because an incorrect ratio causes stretched graphics or black bars. Next, adjust the safe zone and HUD scale sliders so important UI elements sit fully on screen. Move them until all icons are visible during gameplay. Also check options like letterbox and motion blur. Turning these off can reveal more usable screen area and improve clarity, especially in menus and mission prompts. You finish by saving your display changes and immediately testing them in free roam and an active mission to confirm HUD placement across situations. If edges still appear cropped, make sure the PS5 display output matches your TV. Try toggling between 1080p and 4K or switch RGB range to see effects. If problems persist, restart the game and, as a last resort, rebuild the PS5 database. This can clear odd cache issues that affect rendering. Try that only if other fixes fail.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.